For more information and current price, I have included all product links in description below. Next one in our list is Oster Large Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. This digital toaster oven uses convection technology to distribute heat quickly and evenly for thorough cooking and excellent results. Perfect for large families, the convection toaster and oven provides a spacious interior that can accommodate a 12-inch pizza, a whole chicken, a casserole, or even a pan of crescent rolls or chocolate chip cookies. Convenient one-touch controls let you choose from 6 cooking functions, including bake, convection bake, broil, toast, pizza, defrost, and warm, to take the guesswork out of cooking. A 90-minute timer with auto shut-off feature lets you know with the bell when your food is ready and turns off the oven when the cycle is complete. 2 rack positions let you customize the space, while a see-through door allows you to check on food at a glance. This sleek, modern toaster oven also features an interior light and an easy-to-clean interior and comes with a removable crumb tray and a durable baking pan. Overall, we recommend it. I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.